Hello, today I will be unboxing this artificial tree. I love that it was packaged safely and secured. I was blown away at how lifelike this was, with the fruit, the leaves, and the branches. The instructions were easy to follow and clear, and they also had pictures to go along with their detailed descriptions, making this tree an easy setup. It took no time at all for me to finish this project. Once you have it put together, it's time to adjust the leaves to your liking. The branches were easy to move, and all of them were adjustable. This artificial olive tree stands 7 feet tall, and it's extremely lifelike looking. This could fool anybody into believing you have the perfect healthy olive tree in your home or office. One of the things I love about it is it's maintenance free. No watering, no repotting. It's just how it is. And not only that, it's easy to clean. The plant itself is extremely detailed, from the leaves and the lines in them to the fruit on the branches and the trunk of the tree, the grooves and how it is laid out. It's just so realistic looking. I'm very happy about the product and love how it looks in each room I've tried it in. I think it goes with the flow in any location.